No, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will teach you 7 different ways you can say the word keep in Igbo language. Pay attention. The first one, dobe. In Igbo we can say dobe to mean keep. We can as well say dowe to mean keep. Dowe, keep. Desa means keep. Desa means keep. Dese. Some native speakers will say dese to mean keep. Debe. I often use debe to mean keep. Debe. Dosa means keep. Dosa means keep. Don't confuse keep writing debe to mean the keep we are referring to, okay? Words can be spelled the same way with the same pronunciation but different meaning, okay? So we have another word that is D-E-B-E, that is de-e-be-e in Igbo. That means another thing. But for this lesson, we are referring to the word keep. Remember, debe means keep. Dosa also means keep. Dose also means keep. These are direct variations. These are dialect, different ways to say these things in Igbo. So depending on who you meet, you can decide to use any of them and communicate. The person will understand you very well. So a recap. We have 7 ways to say keep in Igbo language. Dobe, dowe, desa, dese, dosa, and dose. They have common do in common. They have common thing do. I am your favorite Igbo language teacher. See you in my next video. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Dalo.